Hi, this is Malati, currently working as an assistant professor in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore, in the Department of Computer Science, Graphics and Creative Design. In this video, we are going to see about the topic of aesthetics in the course from the course Directing Film Techniques and Aesthetics. Aesthetic is nothing but the study of beauty and the art and the taste of the direction in this course. It involves understanding what makes something aesthetically pleasing or representing and the value of the direction. Next topic is authorship. Authorship is nothing but the creator or owner of the creation. It refers to the origin and the creation of a work, which includes role and the identity of the creator. If anyone creates short film or a book or a story, he or she is the authorship for that content. That is called as authorship. Role of an author. The role of the author can be identified in two terms, that is authorial intent and depth of the author. The idea which understands an author intention can enhance the appreciation of their work. This approach considers the creator's background, goals and messages. Depth of the author refers by the concept of Donald Barthes, suggesting that the author's personal context and intention should not limit. There is no limitation for the creator. That is nothing but author. The text itself and its reception. Next topic we are going to see is aesthetic value. It has some value for the aesthetics that can be divided into two types. Those are objective aesthetics and subjective aesthetics. Objective aesthetics is nothing but a beauty and aesthetic value inherent together in objects or the artwork, and it can be evaluated using certain criteria, that is objective aesthetics. Subjective aesthetics is nothing but the aesthetic value which is based on personal or cultural responses and interpretations. Already we have seen what is authorship and ownership. We are going to see in the slide what is creators' rights and the collaborative authorship. Creative rights is nothing but legal and ethical consideration surrounding the rights of creators to their work, which includes the issues of copyright and intellectual property. The creator rights should be explained or should be recognized by the copyright issue. If one director directs a film or if one musician plays a song or music, they get a copyright for their creativity. That is the ownership. That is the recognition and registration of the ownership. Collaborative authorship is nothing but many work are the result of collaborative efforts, which raise questions about individual contribution and recognition. Aesthetics in different media. We are not only say this direction is only the art of aesthetics. We can say that it comes under literature, visual arts and performing arts. Whichever we performs, that art is also comes under the part of aesthetics. Literature, which explores how narrative techniques, style and thematic elements contribute to the aesthetic experience. Visual arts focuses on aspects such as composition, color theory and artistic technique. Performing arts considers the role of live performance, audience interaction and temporal elements in shaping and aesthetic experiences. Alternative story sources. We have so many sources to narrate a story as an alternative, that are unconventional and non-mainstream origins for stories that deviate from traditional literacy, historical are media-based stories. Purpose of creating alternative story are the sources of a fresh perspective and innovative narratives and diverse voices that can enrich storytelling. Alternative story sources can be we can take in from all these following components. Those are personal experience. We can take alternative story sources from our personal experiences and autobiographical elements, personal journals and letters, oral histories, collaborative and interactive storytelling, cross-cultural and interdisciplinary sources. We can take story sources from science and technology, environment and natural world. A story might be based on social and political context too. Examples of alternative story sources are, these are few books and the reference film that alternative story sources. Those are The Blair Witch Project, Choose Your Own Adventure, and The Last Dance. Setting creative limitation and benefits for creating alternative story sources. This is used to explore how restrictions can stimulate creativity, lead to novel ideas and improve focus. We have to fix limit. It helps us to focus on core ideas and to prevent us from distractions from external elements. It increases our innovation, like constraints often push creators to think outside the box and find unique solution. We are working with limited resources fosters ingenuity and creative problem solving. Next topic we are going to see is point of view. Point of view refers to, it determines how the audience experience and understanding the narrative. That it has three types of point of view. That is first person point of view. That is nothing but what do I think and what do we think about the film or the story or the novel. That's the first person point of view. Second person point of view is nothing but about you. What do you think about the story? What do you think about the novel? What do you think about the creator? That's the second person's point of view. Third person point of view is nothing but what does she or he, what does he thinks about the story? What does she think? What does it contains? That is the third person point of view. Thank you for watching the video.